and we'll proceed. Okay. So, yesterday in the last class, we are talking about static imports, right?
Yes.
So, static import, basically what it does is, so let us assume we are having a math formula class, right? See, this is the class. It's having a static and non-static variable as well. Second. Okay, let me add it. Static. Final. Okay. Okay, so I have declared one final num, which is 333. Okay. Just to demonstrate, actually, we have to know that what is the static import. Okay. Mostly it is not suggestible to use static import because it will create confusion. Okay. Which class it got import and all, we'll see like, but it will create a confusion, and that is the reason usually avoid static import and you will go with the constant and all. Okay. So what is static import? So let us assume we are having a class, and in that class we have all the static methods and variable, right? So let us assume if you are going to use this thing in another class. So I am using this like in this one, right? So what I am doing is I'm doing import static com.property fully qualified class path. Means, okay, this is our package, you remember, right? See, this is the package.
Yeah.
Inside the package, we are having math. Inside the math, we are having algebra and math formula. In math formula, we have static function that we want to import. So when you import a static function, what happened? So see here, I have imported pi, right? Math.pi. So I am directly writing here pi. Pi is a variable, a static variable in math.formula class. Okay. Now this add. Okay, if you see here, this add double and int, right? So these two method we have in math.formula, we both are static in nature. So what I did, I can directly import here math formula.add, right? Which is not possible with the normal import. Fine, understand? Okay. So now what I'm doing, see here I used to do math formula.add, right? So let me remove this and see it's working or not. Is it working or not, Kritika?
Yeah.
So you see,
Yeah.
I have imported add directly here in one line and I'm using this. So what confusion it will create? It will create like every time you have to go to top. Right now we are having two things. We imported only two things. So it's fine. We can go on top and we can see. Let us say we have thousands of line. We are using a method, right? Which is not having a, we don't know from which class we are calling and all. It might be like, you might think like there will be a add method inside this class, right? Clear? And I'm using,
Okay.
so this type of confusion it will create. Otherwise, if any certain scenario, any interview, anywhere, if they will ask what is static import, you just say that the static import are the import which help us to import all the static method and properties into a required class, right? So see, I have imported add. Let us assume I will import another one also. So what is the another one? So we have subtract. Okay, so I will enter subtract. So let us assume, let me call subtract here. I call subtract. I will perform any operation 10 and 5. Understand? So this is subtract what I'm calling directly using. But if you don't do static import, how you will call? You will call math dot, right? Math formula dot subtract. Math formula dot add. Clear?
Okay.
So
I
if
understand.
I ask you about static import, just say it will. Okay. Now you see the while this entry is available or not in a static. So what I did a static import and I did while entry. So what it will do, it will import all the static properties and method into this. So directly you can use this, right? Clear? But only thing, it will only import a static. Non-static things it will not import. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So what I will do, I will stop this one here. Again, I will start recording because this will go into previous class, this part, right? We have not completed that one last time, right? Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
let's start recording again. Okay.
Okay.